Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 2021 NABOR installation. I am Past President Phil Wood, happy to be your host this morning. And welcome to all of those who are joining us in person. We have a small group here in person, and also all of those who are online joining us virtually. We'll begin this morning with a little video that John Wood, my father, and I put together.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Hi. I want to talk, Phil and I want to talk about Corey becoming president of the Naples on the Gulf Board of Realtors, which is very unusual with her position in the real estate community. But we're so proud of her for all she's done for our firm and for the Board of Realtors that we just are ecstatic over her becoming president.
We're especially thrilled that she is a third generation president. I believe that will be the first that has occurred. So congratulations, Corey. Thank you to NABOR staff for putting that together. That was a really good video. And now we will call up this year's incoming directors. Paula Angelopoulos Urbanati, Christine Citrano, Lauren Mello, who is unable to attend today, David Puskarik, PJ Smith, Stuart Tackett, Terry Lynn Van Gorder, and then our incoming officers, Treasurer Nick Bobzian, Vice President Secretary Adam Villano, President-elect Ryan Bledgy, and President Corey McCluskey. Congratulations to all of you for being elected to this position, and we will now go through the installation ceremony. The Naples Area Board of Realtors and Association of Real Estate Professionals has elected you to an office of honor and responsibility. According to your ability and participation, you will shoulder the responsibility and render the service that is expected of you. Our Board of Realtors has a very well prescribed responsibility to support and work with you. The fact that you have been singled out and membership has elected you to the position you are about to occupy is evidence enough that they will work with you and support you during the coming year. You are on the threshold of a year of challenge and opportunity. You individually and you and our board should have a dynamic year and vision to soar to new heights of excellence. With your leadership and active participation, based on the friendship and desire to be of service to all those in and associated with the realtor profession, you and our board should achieve a high place in our community, in our state, and in our nation. Now please raise your right hand. That's the one over here. Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that you will administer your office in the Naples Area Board of Realtors and Association of Real Estate Professionals to the best of your ability and judgment in conformity with its charter and bylaws, that you will observe and enforce the Code of Ethics, uphold and support the Florida Realtors and National Association of Realtors, and endeavor to secure the observance and enforcement of the real estate law of the state of Florida by yourself and others, that you will in your acts be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner promote and safeguard the best interest of our state, the high purpose of the organization, and the welfare of its membership. So help you God.
I do.
Thank you very much. Then by the virtue of the authority conferred upon me as installing officer, I do hereby proclaim you to be duly and officially installed and inaugurated as an officer of the Naples Area Board of Realtors and Association of Real Estate Professionals. Congratulations. And now we will have the passing of the gavel video. now I will pass the real gavel to Corey. Congratulations.
Y'all know how to make a girl feel special, and I need to invest in waterproof mascara. With that being said, good morning, and thank you for joining us on this beautiful Southwest Florida day. I'm grateful for your confidence to lead this wonderful member-focused organization in 2021. 2020 is a year that we will always remember. Curveballs have been thrown at us from all directions, causing us to adapt and forge ahead in ways that would not have been imaginable just 8 months ago. While meditating on the lessons, trials, and triumphs of 2020, I came away with a list of organizational achievements to be proud of and to share with all of you. To begin with, I do not know of another real estate organization in Southwest Florida that was able to be up and running, albeit virtually, in such a short amount of time. Our members and staff have been able to pivot on a dime, and through creativity and improvisation, we are now educating more members than ever before. 2020 was also a year for NABOR to be a leader in terms of community service. The NABOR Helps program, inspired by Directors Adam Villano and Leah Page, and embraced by my predecessor, will continue to invest in Southwest Florida under the umbrella of the Community Involvement Committee, and this is something we should all be proud of. I would be remiss if I did not give a special thanks to all volunteers, Board of Directors, immediate past President Lauren Mello, the staff, and each and every committee member for their time, their flexibility, and tenacity throughout 2020. I would also like to give a shout out to members that have continuously given back to the community all throughout their careers outside of NABOR. Your efforts help elevate the reputations of all real estate agents, and for this we thank you. However, with these accomplishments in mind, it's now time to build upon our success and turn the page to begin a new chapter. As the first third-generation president of NABOR, I feel that it is my role to honor the past while looking confidently towards the future, to stand with the men and women who built this organization while setting bold goals and striving to lead NABOR to greater heights, to see to it that past success is built upon, and to do whatever's within my power to assist you, our members, no matter what comes our way. Make no mistakes, there will be challenges in 2021, but we are ready, willing, and able to adjust our sails. As the saying goes, smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. I practiced that like 27 times, and I thought for sure I'm gonna screw it up, but I did. Thank you. Chris is like, good job, babe. Understanding the enormous responsibility being bestowed upon me, I've chosen to focus on 3 core areas in 2021. These areas are education, communication, and service. Someone once said that necessity breeds innovation. This is certainly true of education at NABOR in 2020. Thanks to the fast thinking of our volunteer members, leaders, and staff, we are now educating more of you each month than we ever have. In 2021, we will sharpen our focus and will strive to bring you an even better evolved educational experience in terms of quality and content. We will make investments in technology to broaden the educational and community experience for all of us. Equally as important to the future of our organization as education are planned investments in communication. Vital in all aspects of life throughout the pandemic, it has been proven that creativity and how we communicate is most important in our interactions between NABOR, our brokers, members, and our local community. In 2021, we will be looking to modernize how we communicate with our membership, understanding that as our members evolve, we too must refine our techniques. We are here as an extension of your business, to support you and to be there when you need us. Therefore, in 2021, we'll be moving to a content subscription style of communication for our membership. We want you to receive the pieces of information that help propel your business forward, keeping your license up to date, and to be aware of opportunities when they are at your door. Also, in 2021, we will focus on service. You know, I'm often asked why I give so much of my time as a volunteer organization like NABOR, and that's an easy answer. I love this business. Man, I'm really trying, Paul, I'm really trying. I've met and become friends with the most amazing people, and it's allowed me to travel and spend time with my family, and I want to give back to the industry that's given my family and friends so much. Sorry. It's my way of saying thank you. Bearing this in mind, what I know for certain is that when we come together to invest in each other and our community, we all win. This year, we will be contributing to local nonprofits that invest in children, the two-legged and the four-legged kind, as well as mental health. Thank you, appreciate it. I would love also for all of us to come together to plan some random act of kindness days, which we all could use. Some waterway cleanup days, and some outdoor family fun focused events. I want to encourage each of you to lean in and to get further involved at the board. Here's a little secret. No one will fight harder for your business than you will. We are looking for fresh ideas. We are looking for motivated, enthusiastic volunteers to serve on committees or to lend a hand in our community projects around town. We will build on our success of the past, and we will press NABOR forward. This brings me to the strategic plan. We will be revisiting this long-term plan to ensure we are headed in the right direction for you. So we are here to serve for many years into the future. We want and need your feedback. Without it, we can't grow into the organization we need to be for generations to come. Each of us play a part in this business. Like teammates during a relay race, we all must take our place at the starting line and run our best race. I am here to grab the baton and run as fast as I can on behalf of the team, and I hope you will join me. It's okay, I'm really not crying anymore. This is just me. Thank you for your time this morning, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing all of you soon. Thank you.
Well, thank you all for attending today virtually, and for the people here in person. Have a great day. Thank you.